blocks. Friends, today we will talk about block and inline level elements. In HTML, we have multiple elements or tags which can be divided into two type of levels. One is block level and another is inline level. So what is the difference between these two? Let's see. Friends, block level elements, it captures the complete horizontal width of any element. Okay, for example, this is my web page and I have added a block level element. It may be anyone, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So we have certain elements which are block level and certain elements which are inline level. So that I will show you. But now just see how it works. So block level element, what it does is, if you are taking a block level element, it will capture the entire horizontal space or width of the web page. Okay, or any container. Suppose instead of this web page, it's a div tag. So within the div tag also it will capture completely horizontal space. Okay. In other hand, we have inline level elements. So inline level element only capture the width you have provided. For example, I have an element which has 100 pixels width, so it will only go up to 100 pixel width. Okay, and remaining space will be empty. So this is one character. Second is, if we are using another inline level element or block level, what it will do, it will come next to this inline level element. Okay, that means this inline level element allows another inline level element to be fit next to it, but block level element will never allow to fit the other element next to it. Okay, it will push to next line. So this is the main difference. So let's see what are the elements which are comes under block level and what are the elements which comes under inline level. So here you can see we have few tags which is a block level element, like address, article, aside, block quote, canvas, dd, div tag, dl, dt, field set, fig caption, footer, form. Like this we have many. So mostly when we are using our code, we are some tags which are frequently used by us, that is heading, paragraph tag, table, div tag. So these are the regular used tags which are block level elements. And inline elements which we are using is mostly anchor tag, span tag, input, button, then we have image, we have big, video, bold, label, code. So this tags are comes under inline level. So let's see how we are using it in our HTML and see what is the difference. Okay, and how we can modify a block level element into an inline level element or inline level element into block level. Okay, so first of all, let me take a p tag or h tag. This is block level element. Okay, I have saved it. So you can see it's written block level. What if I will take another h2 tag? Okay, this I'm giving as a 1 and this one as a 2. See, block level element pushes the element to next line. Okay, even though there is a space, it is not allowing it to fit here. Okay, why? Because it captures the horizontally complete width of the parent tag. So parent is body here, correct? Now let's see how span tag works here. Okay, if I'm taking a span tag and I'm taking as inline level 1, and let me do copy paste, and this is 2. So span tag is a inline level element. See, it comes next to it, correct? So this is how we are using. Now there is a no width of inline level element. Okay, so if you give a width, for example span I have, right? And what I will do is I will put some This is the element selector. I'm taking an element selector to just show you. I'm giving a width of 200 pixels, saving it. You see it is not taking any width, right? It is not taking any kind of width. So if you are providing a width to a inline level element, at that time you have to mention display inline block, save it, and here you will able to add it. Okay, so there is scenarios where you need to use span tag, as well as you need to provide some width to that span tag or inline element. At that time you can convert it to display inline block. Okay friends, this is how display inline block works. So there are total three kind of attributes: inline block, and another, the last one is the inline. Okay, so this is how we are working, and next chapter we'll see how we can more like efficiently we can change the type. Okay.